In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook app not updating automatically. If you want your Facebook app to update automatically but it is not happening, here's the thing that you can do. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. What you have to do is tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the menu. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now the option will be expanded and you'll be able to find various other options over here. Tap on the option settings that you can see at first. Now you'll be able to access the settings options over here. Simply scroll down. Under the section for preferences, you'll be able to find this option for media. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. Right over here at second last, you'll be able to find this option for app updates. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to change the app update settings. At first, you'll be able to find this option for auto update Facebook. Right now, it is not turned on. If you turn it on, the app updates will be automatically downloaded. So toggle this button on. Now the auto update will be on and Facebook app will update automatically. Now what you can do is simply open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. You'll also have to manage the settings of Play Store. So for that, what you have to do is tap on the profile picture that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for settings. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like general, network preferences, family, etc. Tap on this option, network preferences. Now over here at second, you'll be able to find the option for auto update apps. Tap on it. Right now, don't auto update apps is selected. You'll be able to find three other options over here. Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update with limited amount of mobile data. Update over Wi-Fi only. Tap on any option according to your preference. Now the auto update will be enabled in the Google Play Store too. Now whenever there is any app update on the Facebook, it will be automatically downloaded and your Facebook application will be updated automatically. So that is how you fix Facebook app not updating automatically. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.